Hello and welcome to the new Sigen EV-AC charger installation guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount, wire, and commission the product. Unpack the charger and check the items in the package are complete. Remember to check for any damage. It's important to select a suitable installation site in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. Sigen EV-AC charger should be kept at a distance from other equipment. Sigen EV-AC charger should be installed vertically. Prepare the following installation tools before installation and required cables in advance. Sigen EV-AC charger supports 3 wiring options: top wiring, bottom wiring, and rear wiring. Please select the appropriate installation mode according to the actual installation scenario. This video will take rear wiring as an example. First, prepare the AC cable. Strip the wires with a wire stripper. Crimp the OT terminal with a crimping tool. Similarly, install OT terminals on all cables. Take out the drilling indicator board and use a spirit level to select a suitable drilling position. Use an electric drill to make 3 holes on the drilling indicator board. The diameter of the hole should be 10 millimeters and the depth should be 70 millimeters. If the wall doesn't have a pre-reserved inlet, use a hole saw drill to make a hole for the AC cable inlet. The diameter of the hole should be 29 millimeters. Similarly, drill holes for RJ45 and RS485 cables. The diameter of the hole should be 16 millimeters. Insert wall plugs into the holes for fixing the mounting fittings, and use a hammer to drive them in for secure fixing. Take out the Sigen EV-AC charger and unscrew the 2 top screws. Unscrew the 2 bottom screws. Then separate the Sigen EV-AC charger. Take out the rear module and place it with the back facing up. Use a hole saw drill to make a hole for the AC cable inlet at the AC cable entry point of the housing. The diameter of the hole should be 29 millimeters. Similarly, drill holes for RJ45 and RS485 cables. The diameter of the hole should be 16 millimeters. Take out the 3 rubber plugs from the charger. Take out the sealing rubber from the packaging and remove the plug. Thread the AC cable through the sealing rubber. Install the sealing rubbers at the RJ45 and RS485 holes of the charger. Pick up the charger and thread the RJ45 and RS485 cables through their respective holes. Pick up the charger and thread all cables through their respective holes. Fix the EV-AC rear housing to the wall with screws. You have fixed the charger to the wall. Use a screwdriver to remove the cable gland. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws at the wiring terminals. Place the cables into the corresponding wiring terminals. Secure the cables with screws. Use a wire stripper to strip the RJ45 cable and install the connector. The same applies to the RS485 cable. Insert the RS485 cable into the corresponding interface. Pick up the front body of the charger and insert the RJ45 cable into the corresponding port. Close the front and rear bodies of the charger. Secure the 4 upper and lower screws. Next, install the cable bracket and mark the drilling positions with a marker pen. Insert wall plugs into the holes. Fix the cable bracket with screws. Insert the charging plug into the charger. For bottom wiring, please unscrew the waterproof connector at the bottom, take out the plug, thread the AC cable and signal cable through it, and the remaining wiring steps are the same as those for rear wiring. For top wiring, first unscrew the plug at the top wiring port. Install the waterproof connector from the bottom to the top and fit the plug at the bottom. Next, unscrew the waterproof connector, take out the plug, thread the AC cable and signal cable through it, and the remaining wiring steps are the same as those for rear wiring. Log in and create a new system. By scanning the QR code and providing system and other details. Afterwards, download and install the latest software and set parameters as needed. Confirm all settings. And now you have successfully added a new EV-AC charger. Log in and create a new system. If there is no internet connection, click this button. The My Sigen app automatically connects to the EV-AC hotspot. The rest of the steps are similar to normal commissioning. If you want to connect to the WLAN network again after a networkless commissioning, please find Sigen EV-AC in the settings. Connect the host post again. Open the network configure. Connect to WLAN network. Finally, congratulations on your successful network connection. Congratulations on the successful installation of the Sigen EV-AC charger. In My Sigen app, you can flexibly schedule charging times and select charging modes to suit your needs. Embrace your eco-friendly lifestyle now.